Echeveria is a large genus of rosetted, perennial succulents with long-lasting flowers. They belong to the Crassulaceae family that is native to the semi-desert region of Mexico, Central America and parts of South America. Echeveria is named for Atanasio Echeveria y Godoy, a 17th-century botanical illustrator who contributed to Flora Mexicana. Echeverias are hardy in USDA zones 9 to 12. The plant has thick fleshy leaves that form into a compact rosette. The leaves assume their brightest colors from autumn to spring. The rosettes will produce one or more flower stalks once a year. And the cup-shaped flowers come in shades of orange, peach, pink, red, white, and yellow. These are some of the popular types of Echeverias. Echeveria elegans or Mexican snowball are clump-forming, perennial succulent with a basal rosette of broad, fleshy, pale silvery blue leaves edged with red. Echeveria setosa or Mexican firecracker has long, narrow, mid-green leaves covered in short, thick, white hairs. Echeveria darenbergi produces short-stemmed rosette of rounded, gray-green leaves. Echeveria pulvinata or plush plant produces rosette of thick, rounded, green leaves that become red-edged in autumn. Echeveria secunda or glaucous echeveria produces rosette of broad, fleshy, light green to gray leaves that are reddened towards the tips. Echeveria agavoides or lipstick echeveria produces rosette of tapering, light green leaves that are often red-margined. Echeveria gibiflora forms a rosette of rounded, gray-green leaves often tinged with red or brown. Echeveria shaviana or Mexican hens and chicks produces rosette of ruffled-edged leaves tinged with red. Echeveria runyoni topsy-turvy produces rosette of curved, light green to gray rectangular leaves. Echeveria Pearl von Nurnberg produces rosette of broad, purple-tinted gray-green leaves. Echeveria Black Prince produces rosette of purple-green foliage when exposed to full sun. Echeverias are ideal houseplants as they are easy to care for and appreciate periods of neglect. Plant echeverias in potting mix made for cactus and succulents. Choose a terracotta pot that has 2 or more drainage holes. Place them in a location that gets at least 6 hours of full sun. Echeverias only bloom in high light situations. They don't do well in low light situations as they will become leggy. Water the plants once a week during the summer months. Water less frequently during the winter months. Do not overwater echeverias to prevent root rot. And avoid overhead watering to prevent crown rot. Echeverias do not need fertilizing. Removing dead leaves from the bottom of the plant will keep pests at bay. Echeverias can be propagated by seeds, leaf or stem cuttings. Offsets can also be divided and transplanted. Propagation is best done in spring. Always use a clean terracotta pot and fresh potting mix made for cactus and succulents. Echeverias are rarely infested by pests. Echeverias are popular houseplants because they are easy to care for. These lovely, symmetrical rosettes are available in a range of colors from icy blue greens and gray to rich reds and purples. Thank you for watching.